In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync your Facebook account with your Instagram account. So if you want all of your personal information and things like photos to sync across from your Facebook and your Instagram, then keep watching as I'm going to show you exactly how we can do this. So the first thing you need to do is head over to the Instagram application on your phone, click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side, click on the navigation bar in the top right hand side, click on Account Center at the very top here, select Profile, and here you'll find the accounts that are currently linked. So if you want to sync both your Instagram and Facebook together, you need to make sure that they're both added inside of this profiles page. If you don't see your Facebook inside of this page, just click on Add Accounts like so, click on Add Facebook Account, click on Continue to sync it up with the app, hit Continue, click Continue again, and finally select Yes, Add Account. So now that we've added our account, we can close out of this window, and here are all my profiles that are currently syncing together. So what you need to do is once you've added your Facebook to this list, just click on it like so. Click on your Facebook again right at the bottom and make sure to enable Sync Profile Info. Select the Instagram account that you want to sync this Facebook with and hit Continue. And as you can see, this is going to sync all of our personal information together. So just click on Sync Profile Info. So once you've done that, we can then head back out of this window. Then you're going to head back one more window. And now we want to select Sharing Across Profiles. Select your Instagram account from the list. And if you want to automatically share your Instagram posts, stories and reels over to Facebook, then you also want to turn on these options down here like so, and that's going to go ahead and automatically share it over to Facebook as well. So that's how you sync together both your Facebook and Instagram account. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.